Your Lordship, there are two problems here with that 19th August circular. It's there in my IA as well as I'm told in the earlier status report of the state of West Bengal.
Ma'am, which page number is it? Because what I have is the 13th of September.
Okay, then maybe
She's appealing for whom? I'm not aware.
the policy was.
Association of Doctors and Patients in West Bengal.
Doctors and patients.
I'm appearing for Doctors for Patients. It's a trust called Doctors for Patients. So, Your Lordship,
What's your point?
I have 2 points. Number one, in this policy, Your Lordship said 11, clause 11, subclause 5 and 6, we have a serious problem with. One is working hours of women, including women doctors, should not preferably exceed 12 hours at a time. Second, wherever possible, night duty may be avoided for women to the extent possible. Now, this is the policy of the state of West Bengal, and our doctors have a serious problem with this. And Your Lordships, in multiple
How can you
cases,
say that women should not work on night
exactly,
It's ridiculous.
precisely.
Women
And-
will have an objection if you
Yes,
keep them from working.
exactly, and to limit us to a 12-hour shift. In fact, many of the junior residents work for 36 hours flat out. Now, this is directly impinging on gender and being employed at all.
Completely right. You need
That
to
is
stick
one.
to the point.
We'd like,
And
and second
Anuj Garg,
point, I have a second point, Your Lordships. I have a second point. Second point pertains to investigation. One is on this policy, Your Lordship is seized of it. I will leave it at
So
that.
women don't want concessions. They want
Yes.
equal opportunity in
In
terms of
Anuj Garg's-
safety.
In Anuj Garg's case,
Why should we prevent a woman doctor from working in the night?
or 12 hours. Why limited to 12 hours, Your Lordship? Because junior doctors work for 36 hours. Now, women will never be
Should be
taken.
for all doctors. 12 hours working time is all doctors. Don't bifurcate.
Equally,
That's-
whatever the shift,
Exactly.
women
Lord.
doctors are
They-
ready to work in exactly the same conditions
Absolutely.
in
Yes,
terms
yes,
of time.
Exactly.
In
Well,
Anuj Garg,
let's not undermine
Not
them.
even Anuj Garg-
Undermine the lady doctors.
Mr. Sibal, this has to be
There is
corrected.
no issue, my lord. We'll notify it. We were just worried because there is no security in place at the moment.
No, but the
Therefore, I
answer
want to
to
make
it-
sure.
Saying this,
The
And
answer to it,
I want to make sure, my lord, that
Mr.
something
Sibal,
like,
the answer to it is you must ensure security is in place.
I know, my lord,
You
that's the
can't
point.
tell women that you will not
In-
be
this
working
is
after.
This is in addition. It says in addition. This is not, this is only temporary. But if your lordship wants, we, no issue.
this itself is
the
offensive,
state
Your Lordship.
says that it cannot
One second,
provide
hold on.
security. The
We are,
center is.
we are ad item. If.
In Anuj Garg's case,
No,
Your Lordship
Anuj
spoke
Garg is-
upon
You're right. We said that, look.
romantic
just
paternalism.
The law, the provision of the act, Punjab Excise Act was
Absolutely.
that any establishment which serves liquor
Can't have
will
women
not have a woman. We
employees.
stuck it down.
Of course, you should strike it down, my lord. There's
But
no issue.
therefore, two things, Mr. Sibal. I think the state of West Bengal must immediately correct its notification. You
in-
cannot say that women will not work more than a 12-hour shift. If men are working more than a 12-hour shift,
They want to
they are
be.
entitled
They
to
don't
work
want to.
exactly at par with their male counterparts.
We'll issue a notification, but not an issue.
Your duty to provide security. And we can't tell any woman today in our country who's in the workforce that you will not work at night.
Including in
Pilots work at night,
Call
doctors work
centers.
at night,
call center.
your armed forces.
The armed
the
forces work.
women work.
My second point, Your Lordship. Second,
Also.